Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you there are multiple software developer position open in Adani. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. So this is the Adani career official page. Let's discuss about the job requirement and process. So this is the position. Let me click this one. So here you can see like this position is for Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, and this is like software developer position. So they mention like here you can see software application management details. So the candidate needs to like write clean, effective code to build and improve software solution that meet user requirements. Second, also they mention like specification into working code, ensuring features perform as expected, and debugging. The candidate must have like debugging and troubleshooting issues like if in case any issue occurred, that candidate need to resolve that one, and ensuring timely resolution and system stability, and contribute to requirement gathering and designing, development, testing, and also deployment skill also required. So what is the collaboration and documentation is required? So here you can see the candidate needs to work with the product managers, designers, QA engineers for seamless integration, and create and maintain the clear and concise document for software system, and also like to identify the what is the root cause and implement the effective solution to technical issues, and ensuring like code quality and reliability through review and testing before like deploy that one in production, and ensure production documentation is up to date and reviewed regularly. The best option they mention like continuous improvement. So continuously learn and apply the latest technology and best practices. As you are joining as a fresher, you must have to like learn like the latest technology and you have to practice for that one. Ensure like continued functionality and perform through regular updates and maintenance. So here like they mention two things. One is like key stakeholders for internal, key stakeholders for external. So key stakeholders internal, that is product owner, QA and scrum master. Key stakeholders for external, that is engineering management, tech lead and associate EM and DevOps. What is the like qualification required for this position? So they mention like bachelor degree is required. Stream they mention like computer science or software engineering or related fields. What is the proficiency relevant programming language required? Example like they mentioned Java, Python, JavaScript, Node.js. Understanding also required for software development principles and best practices. Experience of working agile environment. Experience also required with like example Git, like while you are developing your code you have to push the code, right? So ability required like to independently work as a team member. Strong like problem solving skill and analytical skill is required. As you are joining as a software engineer, you must be have a good communication skill and collaboration skill is required. What is the certification required? Like as you are joining as a fresher, so you have to explore multiple certification like Google SE and AWS certification, etc. What is the experience they mentioned? As I mentioned from the starting is like fresher requirement. So they mentioned like 0 to 3 years. So fresher is eligible for this position. Kindly go through this post and apply for this position. So there is the last they mentioned on apply link. If you click this one, right, it will redirecting to this page. So here you have to proceed further. I hope this video is helpful. Like if you have any query and concern, kindly comment in your comment box. So in my available time, I will reply for your message. Thank you so much. Like those who are watching my video, if you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. So it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.